Hello friends, in this short and quick video, I'm going to show you how to enable show only crosshair while painting in Photoshop. So guys, if you need to enable and turn on show only crosshair while painting, so just you need to click on edit, then hover cursor on preferences, then here click on cursors. Here you will see option show only crosshair while painting. So guys, if you need to enable, so check this box, show only crosshair while painting, then click on OK. So guys, like this you can enable show only crosshair while painting in Photoshop. Thanks for watching this video.